feeling out this morning like a rusty shot in hollow sky. She left me without a warning, sooner than the dogs could bark, faster than the sun rose, down to the banks in an old New York car. She took a flatboat across the shallows, left me in my tears to drown. She left her baby daughter, now the river's wide and deep and brown. She's crossing muddy waters. Tobacco standing in the fields, be rotten come November, and a bitter heart will not reveal the spring that love remembers. When that sweet brown girl of mine, hair black as a raven, we broke the bread and drank the wine from a jug that she'd been saving. She left me in my tears to drown. She left her baby daughter, now the river is wide and deep and brown. She's crossing muddy waters. Baby's crying and the daylight's gone. That big oak tree is groaning in a rush of wind and a river of song. I can hear my true love moaning, crying for her baby child, and crying for her husband, and crying for that river ride to take her from her loved one. She left me in my tears to drown. Ooh. She left her baby daughter, now the river is wide and deep and brown. She's crossing muddy waters, now the river is wide and deep and brown. She's crossing muddy waters.